welcome back. We're working on a 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan, and what we're doing on this car is replacing the rear hub assembly because that wheel just so this job is going to be on how to replace one of these with a new bearing hub assembly. First things first, obviously you want to jack up the car, put her on a jack stand, and chock the wheels in the front so it doesn't roll back. The brake caliper uses a size 13 socket, and we're gonna go ahead and take that off right now. That's one. Remove the 18mm bracket bolt, which is the brake caliper bracket bolt. Remove that. That's one. And then we gotta do the same for the bottom. That's the second bolt. Now we're gonna move the piston just a little bit. So you take off the brake caliper, the brake pads, and the caliper bracket, and remove the rotor. Next thing you want to do is remove this 13mm bracket that holds the emergency parking brake, just like that, so we can reach the bolts that are inside holding the hub assembly. Get an extension for that. So the bolts that hold the hub assembly are 16mm. Use a ratchet. Loosen one, the other one, and just remove the bolts. This one. Sensor out. Remove the hub, put the new hub. And we just put it back. Bolts back on. Just like so. put the rotor back on. Then we'll put the bracket back on, the 2 bolts. Now we're gonna tighten them with the breaker bar.